Right. 13th August. Okay. It's 13th of August. 2:15. I can't sleep. Beaming my head and banging my fucking head. My back. Okay. Alright. The fucking thing is just right above my roof. Right. Just right above. You can see that motherfucker. Hiding behind the clouds. Right. So it's that. Fuck everything is that. Well, just can see that. It's hidden in the clouds. Right on top. With naked eyes you can see it. Yeah, you see that? It's beating my back, zapping my back. Okay. It knows that I will come on and take, so it went out there. Do you see that? Do you see his asshole? Do you see that? Okay. Right. This is how they use this technology and come and beam our backs. So they're deteriorating my backbone and they're beaming on my head and my ears. Okay. Right. This is a technology that use. This is like the drone satellites. Okay. They do it on the grounds as well. Right. You see that now? It's brightening itself. See that? Okay, I can't sleep. I had to come on and just take this. I was sleeping. I went to bed at 11. Okay, I had to get up. My back hit my back so hard. I was hitting my ears as well. Okay, right. It was called drone-looking satellites. Right. This is a technology that they use. This is right above the house roof. Right. So I'm sleeping in the back of the house. This fucking asshole is up there. Okay, look at that. Not so far away. Right. It's not gonna hide itself. Okay. Alright, I'm getting zapped in my ears. Alright, my head. Okay, and my spine. Okay. If they can do this to you, I can do this to anyone. This is SS1-16, yeah? Kampung Tungku. Alright. I've been harassed for police. Okay. Malaysian police. Alright. These people, they know about this technology. Okay? It's not anywhere else. You don't see it anywhere else. Okay, you don't fucking see it anywhere else. Just right above. Okay? I knew before to come right above the house. Okay? I knew before to do this. That's how I came out. Alright? PDRI, you better fucking answer me this. What is this dude here beaming? This is what you did to my brother, lah. Yeah? This is what you did to my brother in 2019 till today. And this is what they did to my twin brother. And this is what they did to my family. Deteriorating their bones, giving my mom cancer. Huh? This is what they do. It hovers above your roof, right above this roof. Look at this. This is the house here. Okay? This is the house. And they hover right above. Okay? Freaking beaming our heads. Okay? Alright? So, we're getting attacked. Alright? If this can happen to my brother, it can happen to me now. Okay? And who else next? Right? My back is gone. My left back was. They went from my back muscles, my left spine bone, right? My right, no. Having burning sensation inside. Okay? This is Malaysia, SS1 stroke 16, Kampung Tengku, right? Whatever they want to cover up or whatever. A lot of more other videos of this very thing hovering above the house every day. Right? This I didn't notice this before. Once it happened to me, I noticed looking at the skies. Right? This has been going on from for February itself. I noticed this in February itself, 2021. Okay? Right? The other broadcast EMF. Okay, in the daytime. Right? And at night, you get this very thing is flying above the skies, beaming ahead. Okay? Scanning the brain frequencies. Right? Bringing my ears, I can feel it going through my ears. Right? This is what they do. I can feel it. I'm going to do my report tomorrow.